Light is the main element that gives any space a special look and transforms it into a seamless combination of functionality and style. What if these lights were fully customizable, allowing you to set the light to the mood you wanted to create? Lightbook International has added 4 new customer-centric lighting products for retail and office spaces. These lights enhance the experience of the space with a perfect blend of cutting-edge technology and creativity. In the produce industry, eye appeal is buy appeal. Good quality lighting in supermarkets creates a pleasant shopping environment and stimulates purchase behaviors. Introducing Supermarket Tunable Lighting, an innovative range of lighting solutions that caters to the special needs of supermarkets and food retail outlets. These lights are built to add richness to the food on display and reduce energy consumption. A fully featured app is built with 3 quick presets for warm, neutral, and cool color temperatures, which can also be custom adjusted. Intensity of the light can also be controlled in the same way. Best suited to highlight the visual flavor of fruits, vegetables, grocery items, and edible products for a premium food retail shopping experience. For office premises, lighting plays a crucial role affecting productivity and health. Lightbook's human-centric and energy-efficient glare-free lighting solutions offer lights that boost productivity in working spaces. Human-centric lighting uses symbiotic technology to supplement the circadian rhythm of humans, using sensors to simulate the time of day as the light changes from morning to evening. Once the location is set, inbuilt sensors automatically adjust the lights as per 26,000 pre-programmed settings, providing the same positive effects like that of natural surroundings. Intensity and color temperature of these lights can also be changed manually through a wall module or a handy app. Another feature of these lights are that they are ripple-free and are thus perfect for comfortable work hours without eye strain. Lightbook's glare-free lighting adheres to strict lighting standards for office and studio setups. These lights use special optics and lens to reduce glare drastically and soothe eye strain, thus improving working conditions and employee productivity. TRACKLIGHTS are popular today as they create a warm, ambient effect that provides versatility in design and utility. Lightbook brings you gearless TRACKLIGHTS, a special range of lighting that does away with the conventional and bulky gearbox, making the lights look sleek and attractive. Its elegant design reduces weight on false ceilings, which makes it ideal for retail, hospitality, and office spaces. Smart retail lighting solutions are perfect for visual merchandising at retail storefronts. It combines intelligent tunable track lights and automated lighting controls in a full-featured app. The look of product placements and window displays can be now molded for an easily customizable, efficient, and attractive retail experience. The app has inbuilt lighting presets for warm, neutral, and cool lighting conditions. You can also fine-tune the color temperature and intensity to highlight the visual impact of retail merchandise. Lightbook's smart retail lighting solutions can dramatically increase operational efficiency and energy savings with lower downtimes. Transform retail and office spaces into stylish and comfortable environments with Lightbook's innovative lighting solutions. Feel the light with us.